In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana Pro, Gemini, on Adobe Firefly. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right page without typing a long URL. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and press Enter. You should see the official Adobe Firefly site at the top of the results. Click that result to open the Firefly homepage. If you're asked to sign in, just continue with your Adobe account so you can access the image tools. Once you're in, you'll land on the Firefly image generation interface. Start by writing a clear, descriptive prompt. The more specific you are, the better your results. For example, here's a strong prompt you can use. A surreal, action-packed kitchen scene frozen in time. A young man bends completely backward in an impossible pose, his face upside down and wide-eyed in shock as a metal kettle full of water explodes midair above him, splashing in dynamic arcs of water droplets. Notice how it covers the subject, the action, the environment, and the mood. That level of detail helps the model understand exactly what to render. Before you generate, look for the option to choose Partner Models. Firefly lets you switch between its native engine and partner models for different styles and strengths. Click Partner Models to open that selection panel. This is where you can pair your prompt with the model that best fits your creative goal. From the Partner Models list, select Gemini 2.5. This is the model that powers the Nano Banana Pro experience in this workflow. Gemini 2.5 is particularly good at complex scenes, dynamic motion, and fine details like water, reflections, and dramatic lighting. Selecting it ensures your prompt is interpreted with those strengths in mind. With your prompt ready and Gemini 2.5 selected, click Generate. Firefly will process your request and return image variations based on your description. Give it a moment to render. When the results appear, take a close look at composition, pose, and how well the water effects match your vision. If something's slightly off, tweak a phrase in your prompt. Adjusting the action, adding a lighting cue, or clarifying the mood can make a big difference. And generate again. Small refinements usually produce noticeably better outcomes. And that's the full flow. Go to Google, search for Adobe Firefly, open the site, craft a rich prompt, choose partner models, pick Gemini 2.5, and generate your image. Experiment with wording and keep iterating until you land on the look you want. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Nano Banana Pro using Gemini inside Adobe Firefly.